fam. So got another package here, another car part, of course. Just something to feed my carbon fiber addiction. So I'm gonna unwrap these and I'll show you what's up. So that's what we got. Got them carbon fiber mirror caps. Pretty dope. Clean. Throw on. Glossy. Yep, so we'll be throwing those on pretty soon. Stay tuned. Yo, you can see your boy dudes. These things are clean. So this is what the mirror cap looking like for him. I'm gonna pop this edge off right here. Use a panel tool popper. So I've got a few tools. We're gonna go ahead and try with this one first. Pretty simple. That's what it look like. Take it off, get both sides off, and then we'll clip them on. Alright, so after fidgeting with it, so we got, that's what it look like. Clean. Knock off this other side. Show you what it look. Alright, so we got both of them installed. They're looking clean. You know, I feed that carbon fiber addiction. Yep. So that's it, yo. Till next time, we'll get some more parts. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.